Good morning, everyone. Today, 6A will present on Diwali and kindness. Thought for the day: inhale courage, exhale fear. Prayer: it just begins our workday on a good note, setting aside all the daily issues that confront us with our peers and supervisors. It brings peace and comfort. Let's start our day with the prayer.
Oh Lord, I honestly pray in thankfulness for every single day.
Welcome, dance. Diwali.
Diwali is a 5-day festival, the height at which is celebrated on the third day coinciding the darkest night of the lunar month. During this festival, Hindus, Jains, and Sikhs illuminate their homes, temples, and workspaces with diyas, candles, and lanterns. Hindus in particular have a ritual oil bath at dawn on each day of the festival.
Ways to celebrate Diwali eco-friendly. 1. Go firecracker free. 2. Serve food in steel plate or bamboo banana leaves. 3. Make organic, biodegradable rangoli. 4. Use clay diyas instead of plastic lights. Skit by the students of 6A.
Diwali is the festival of lights, which is celebrated with joy and happiness all over India and Indians all over the world.
Now let's bring you a story of a poor boy who helps an unknown person even if he knows that he will miss a very important exam. What happens then? To know this, let's dive into the story.
Dear child, please go to sleep as it is already late at night and you have to rest.
Yes, father, I will. I just have to finish studying one more concept. I really want to qualify in the tomorrow's exam and get admission into the best government school in the state. I will get free education and that will lessen your burden.
Okay, but try to go to bed fast.
Hari's mother comes in.
Here, Hari's father, take this rupees 2000 and get the things needed for Diwali, some sweets and crackers.
I'm sorry that you're the only ones to support our family by working as a maid in others' houses.
Don't worry, hope this Diwali brings light in our lives and things will change.
The next day, Hari and his father set off to the exam hall on a cycle on the road. Suddenly, Hari sees a car which has met with an accident.
Father, look, it's an accident and a man is stuck inside. We must help him. Even if I miss the exam, I must help the man or else he might die.
He is unconscious now. We better take him to the hospital.
Let's go quickly.
In the hospital, sir, we will take care now, but you will have to pay rupees 2000 as admission fee.
Father, please pay the money which mother has given to you.
Yes, sir. But if we give the money, we won't be able to celebrate Diwali. But the person side is more important.
Hari's father pays the rupees 2000 and together they rush to the exam hall. In the exam hall, they meet the invigilator. Sir, please let me in to take the exam.
I'm sorry, you cannot write the exam as you are too late.
Please, sir, please.
Sorry, but it's against the rule.
Hari cries. They come out of the exam hall.
It's fine, father. I can always attempt the exam next year. But we helped a man. We should be happy.
I'm proud of you, my son, for your compassion.
Hari and his father go to the hospital to check on the man.
Hello, Hari.
Hi, doctor. How is the man doing?
He was fine. If you wouldn't have gotten him to the hospital on time, he might have died.
Can I see him, doctor?
No, Hari. From the mobile phone we got from his pocket, we contacted his family and his wife came and took him away to a different hospital as he needed expert care and this hospital did not have the facility.
Thank God. They explained the whole thing to me, no?
Don't worry, you have done a good deed. This kindness is what we all humans should display.
Very good, my dear brother. You have indeed done a very good job. I will always try and follow your lead.
Meena wakes up early to leave for work. When she opens the front door, she was shocked to see many boxes of crackers, sweets, a motorbike, and there was also a woman and a child standing with a smile.
Hurry and Hurry's father, come quickly, look at all these stuffs.
Thank you, Hari and family, for saving my husband. You acted so quickly and took him to the hospital on time.
Thank you, Haryana. My father is saved because of you. I will also help others when in need.
Child, we have got to know that you have missed an admission exam. We will be grateful if you allow us to sponsor your education in any school you choose. Also, we have a textile company in which we can employ your father.
We are delighted with your offer. We will pay a visit to your home as soon as sir recovers.
Geeta and her son leave.
This is the best Diwali ever! The help we had done has come back to us as a Diwali present.
Family rejoices. Donate to charity, show empathy, point out something positive for someone, tell someone they matter, plant a tree, clean up, recycle, and educate others.
Positive reinforcement. Heal someone. Embrace a community. Make others a priority. Save a life.
Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. You can never know the ripple effect you create with one tiny gesture of kindness.
Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine by Walt Disney.
Among the things that you can give and still keep are your word, a smile, and a grateful heart.
Act with kindness, but do not expect gratitude. By Confucius.
Wherever there's a human being, there's an opportunity for kindness.
Art gives meaning to our lives and helps us understand our world. It is an essential part of our culture because it allows us to have a deeper understanding of our emotions. It increases our self awareness and also allows us to be open to new ideas and experiences.
Now, let's see some drawings done by the students of 6A. Music is the greatest communication in the world. Even if people don't understand the language they're singing in, they still know good music when they hear it. With good music, yes, you can bring up people together because good song will touch your soul and no matter where, what, and where it is from.
My name is Sam Saman Joshi from grade 6A. I want to play tabla on the song Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज भाई मन सीताराम
performance by the students of 6A.
Of thanks. We would like to express our gratitude to our dear Principal Ma'am, Miss Sita Shankar, and our beloved coordinator, Miss Simi Nair, for giving us this chance to present our assembly. We would like to give a special thanks to our dear class teacher, Miss Suvarna Ma'am. We would like to thank the teachers and the students for attending this event. Finally, we would like to thank our classmates for making this event joyful with their impressive performances.
वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई ढका भैयारी रे 70 भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बर जाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे